Welcome to our channel. Why Deco white light showing again and again? Power cycle. To power cycle, you have to pull the plug, wait 30 seconds, plug it back. Sometimes that's all it needs to make the white light stops blinking. Check the modem. Turns out modem has been frozen, not the Deco. Do restart the modem, then the Deco, and connection will come back soon. Ethernet cable swap. A flaky or damaged cable can make it look like the Deco is dead. Just switch to a good cable and the white light might vanish with the change. Disable the ISP, router mode. If your ISP gave you a modem-router combo, it can clash with the Deco. Put the ISP box in bridge mode if you can. Game changer. Update firmware. Go into the Deco app, check for updates. Mine was 2 versions behind, and after updating, it stopped looping on the white light. Re-add the unit. In the app, remove the Deco that's stuck. Factory reset it, hold the reset pin until it blinks yellow, then add it back like new. It's a long process, but it works. Switch Ethernet ports. If you're using the WAN port and it keeps failing, try swapping to the other one. Some units are picky. Clear the app cache. The Deco app itself glitches. Force close it, clear cache, or just reinstall. Suddenly the Deco shows up as connected when before it looked dead. Move closer during setup. If you're adding a satellite Deco, keep it close to the main one until it sets up. After it's solid green, move it where you want. Last resort. Full reset of the network. Delete every Deco from the app. Reset them all, start from scratch. Yeah, it sucks. Took me 40 minutes, but the endless white light loop finally stopped. Thank you for watching.